Hello everybody, welcome. This is David. I hope you're doing well. Let's talk risk. Right, how many risks can you think of? So we've got credit risk, market risk, operational risk, liquidity risk, treasury risk, investment management risk, perhaps crypto risk, cyber risk, reputational risk. I'm getting running out here. But guys, all these risks are part of the FRM designation. Let's check it out a bit further. So the FRM, guys, is offered through GARP, the Global Association of Risk Professionals. Actually, the 25th anniversary of this designation was last year in 2022. I did mine in 2004. And there are 77,000 FRMs currently. Now, the original exam was one single exam, but was split into two parts in 2009, which is a really good idea because it's far too much to study really in one go. You can still study it in one go if you want to, two parts in the same exam sitting, but I wouldn't recommend it. Notice, guys, they're not two levels, they just cut it into two parts. Now, the exam windows, May, August, and November, and it is computer-based testing, multiple choice, guys, four answer choices. And so looking, guys, at the two components here, two parts, they've been chopped in half from the original single exam. Now, part one, guys, is quite similar to CFA level 1 and 2 if you take away all the accounting. So in terms of the knowledge of things like derivatives and commodities and currencies, interest rates, bonds, etc., there are 4 topics and 62 individual readings. Bit of a mixture of numbers and words, I would say here. Quite a lot of calculations too. Part 2, though, is certainly more wordy. There are 6 topics but 96 individual readings, and all those risks that we talked about, really from a practitioner perspective, so useful, including both things like all the regulation that's out there, the famous Basel 1, 2 and 3, but also, guys, these current issues, very appropriate and applicable to what's going on around us with climate, blockchain, inflation, as well as all these, the major risks that are out there, of course. Kaplan's been helping students, guys, with the FRM for many years, and as well as having the very effective notes and e-versions nowadays, the e-books as well. Classes are very useful too, guys, to learn all this stuff rather than ploughing through all the books yourself solely. You've also, guys, got the on-demand review for practice, plenty of good questions to go through in our QBank, guys, too. Keep close to the instructors with, guys, the instructor link, but also via the community forum, engage with instructors and other candidates as well too. And of course, there's the mocks as well. So, guys, learning about risk via the FRM, I definitely recommend. Well worth a look. As well as looking backwards, perhaps to previous crises, it does look forward quite a lot as well, thinking about whether it might be crypto or blockchain or future risks coming into. So, guys, a quick tour, quick blast, but I hope you found that useful. Check out our website for more details. I'm David. See you very, very soon.